Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Here I have some nice hassa here all the way from Guyana. I just washed it, cleaned it up. It looks so fresh, so nice. Gonna start cooking this hassa. Didn't eat this for such a long time, so today I'm feeling like eating this hassa. So let's get started. Making the paste for the hassa. 2 teaspoons of masala. 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of sazon, looks good. 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons green seasoning, add a little bit of water, looks good. Ready to cook the hassa now. The color is amazing. That's a paste for the hassa. Added 4 teaspoons of oil. Added 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed. Let it fry a little. This is how my everyday cooking: curry, fish, hassa, shrimp. I started this way all the time. So now I'm adding some onion. 1 onion here. Adding some green onion. Adding the masala mixture. The color is so nice. Love this color. Check out the color here. Let this fry for 2 minutes. Check out the color here. Looking so nice. Add in the hassa. Add it. Check out the hassa here. Looking so good. Add in some eddos. That's 2 eddos here. Add in 1 can of coconut milk. Same can, I added 1 can of water. Check out the hassa here, looking good. Another 5 more minutes and it's done. Check out the hassa curry here, guys. Looking so nice. Check out the color. Looking so colorful. Really nice hassa curry. I feel like eat this for a long time. So today I'll be having hassa curry and rice. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I hope you like how my hassa comes out. See you in my next video. Bye.